Hi, this is Dresden Ford with Cyclone Productions, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Hero Factory plasma rifle. Here are the pieces you'll need. I'm going to show you to it while the camera's sideways, so this is the first step. Take these, put one here and one here, then connect that. Second step is to take this, put it here like that, and then take this piece, connect it, put this piece on the end, then put this little red cross in the middle of the red ball, and put it right there. That is part one of 2 parts, and that is